What's up guys, and welcome to the channel. My face is extremely dirty. Just got out of work here, but like I said in yesterday's video, we got a special package, and as you can see from here, it's from the guys at Jax Wax. They saw the ceramic coat video, they loved it, and they were like, hey, just to say thanks, we're gonna send you out a care package. And believe it or not, these products they sent were the exact ones I was looking for to keep this ceramic coat fresh and keep the truck extremely clean. They sent over the Shield shampoo, which is used to clean and maintain vehicles that are ceramic coated. And they sent over the ceramic detailer, which has a little bit of the ceramic coating in it. So every time you need to spot detail, you're reapplying a little bit of the ceramic coat. Thank you to the guys at Jax Wax for hooking us up with this. And we're gonna clean a very, very dirty truck today. All right, so this is what we're dealing with. Yes, the truck. I mean, we got mud caked up in here. Look at the side of this thing. I mean, look at this. This thing is... filthy. Wheels. Yeah. Tip. So yeah, most of the time you guys are like, oh, your truck's not dirty, why are you washing it? But now this truck is actually dirty from the rain and then the mud the other day. So we're gonna wash this truck up and use our ceramic shampoo. This is gonna be awesome. So just after, you know, power washing, this thing is already pretty clean. As you can see, just power washing won't do it though. You're gonna have to come in here with your microfiber and get all the rest of this residue off. However, the ceramic coat makes this truck so much easier to clean. Especially look at these wheels. I mean, they're not perfect, but they're so much better than they were. We're gonna come in here, wipe them down, and these wheels will be shining. So much easier. One thing I gotta say is, holy cow, look at how thick this stuff is. This ceramic shampoo is awesome. Yeah, guys, look at how thick this is. This is incredible. I can't get over how thick this shampoo is. Alright, so my microfiber mop here broke mid-session, so I've been using the mitt. So if any of you guys know any good microfiber mops, let me know, because yeah, this broke off in the bottom, and this was a gift, so I have no idea where they got it. So I'm gonna need a new one super soon because the truck's very big. Next thing, after only one coat of this, the truck is extremely clean. And I mean, we still got some in the foam can here, so we're gonna go over with a second coat, obviously. But just one coating, you can see how clean the truck has gotten, and I still need to, you know, wash it one more time and power wash all the stuff off. But it's shining. It's shining really well. So whether your truck is ceramic coated or not, I don't know what Jax Wax thinks about using the ceramic shampoo on a non-ceramic coated truck, but the shampoo itself foams up thick, and honestly, look at how clean this thing looks. That's awesome. Also, another reason why I don't like going off-road, Look at this giant rock chip here. I'm gonna have to touch up / repaint my entire gas door. Not fun. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna respray this truck, wipe it down again, and power wash it off, and she should be good to go. Like I said again, I am extremely satisfied of how thick this soap is. You just listen to this. That's awesome, guys. Oh baby, look at this. This is literally just 2 coats. You know, soap it, sponge it, soap it, sponge it, and power wash the rest of the suds off. And look at how clean this truck is compared to how it was when it came in. Oh, another reason why I love ceramic coat. Look at this. Wheels. Super clean, extremely easy. You know, most people don't clean their truck as often, or their car or whatever, as often as they would like, because it honestly is a process. And you know, those 8-9 hours I took the one day applying that ceramic coat, I'm gonna be honest with you, was 190% worth it. I would recommend that to anybody. The ease of cleaning this truck now is amazing, especially with a vehicle this big. It's awesome to be able to clean it so fast, so easy, and get results like this. I mean, guys, this speaks for itself. Look at the shine on this beast. I mean, this isn't a black truck, this is a green truck, and you're getting a mirror. That Jack's Wax ceramic coat is unreal. And I'd recommend that ceramic shampoo after just using it for the first time. That is beyond awesome at how well this truck is clean with the ceramic coat and the ceramic shampoo. Man, I love that. I didn't really even wipe down the tip, but look at how clean she is too. I mean, up here you got a little, you know, the dust and the dirt, but other than that, look at how clean this tip is too. Oh, shadow, ruined the shot. Look at how clean this truck is, guys. I keep saying that, but I'm actually in awe behind this camera right now at how clean this is. I'm blown away. This is awesome. Okay, so for the longest time, I've been getting this like clicking noise when I go over some bumps. I think this back shock is loose, and I'm gonna be honest, the way these Fox shocks mount in the rear of these Rams, I forget what they're called, but it's like the stud and then the eyelet, not like eyelet and eyelet. You're running an eyelet to an eyelet, which is gonna mount into a bracket which mounts to the frame, instead of running just like a stud to an eyelet, which would mount straight up to the frame, not have the bracket conversion. So pretty much the nut I need to tighten is over the exhaust here, over the frame here, and I don't even know if you can see it, up and over here. Pretty much gotta tighten, I don't even know if you can see it, but I gotta tighten this nut up here. Alright, that seems about it. I don't even know if I can fit. I should be able to. Actually, that'd be ideal if I could do this, but I doubt this will work. With an angle, we made it in there. Alright, so that didn't work, so we're going to use the way I tightened it the first time, which is probably the problem because I couldn't get it tight enough. Oh man, that was loose, so I'm hoping that this clears up that sound because it's been driving me nuts. Oh yeah, no longer loose. Alright, so now we're gonna try out ye old ceramic detailer. I didn't drive, so the water didn't really move any. So I mean, you got some water spots here, on different spots. I mean, obviously you could just wipe them right off, but we're gonna use a ceramic detailer on them and give this truck a little extra shine. Yeah, look at that. No more water spots and a shine. Oh, is that smooth? This stuff is incredible, guys. Trust me, I'm not just saying that because they sent it to me. I'm honestly saying that from like I said, I worked all day, and cleaning this truck is not what I want to be doing for the next 4 hours. The fact I can get this done and get these results this quick with these products, I'm blown away, and this is an honest review. Ceramic shampoo, ceramic coating, and ceramic detailer, guys. Highly recommended. And I mean, if you guys are interested in it, I'll leave the links in the description below for you guys. More than welcome to go check them out. And I'm gonna say thank you again, because this stuff is incredible. And a place that everyone forgets. Inside these door jambs here. I also need to vacuum the inside of this truck. Man, these haven't been cleaned since I got the truck, so this is nice. Oh yeah, guys, she is sparkling clean. I love it. And clean my door sills. Still need to vacuum it, but I haven't used a ceramic detailer on this. Does a pretty good job. So now it's actually time to go and head home and finally clean up for the day, but it's a moment of truth. Going over some bumps, hearing if that shock, which it sounded like a loose shock the entire time, and I knew that thing was loose at the top there. Which I knew the thing was loose, but it's kind of the, I don't remember when the noise began. So we're gonna hope that that was it. We're about halfway home, and I haven't heard that clunking once. So I'm super pumped about that. That's awesome. It's been just like a little tick, tick, tick every time you go over a bump, and oh, it's so nice just riding and not hearing that. And the telltale is gonna be up here around the corner. I don't hear it, but we're gonna see around the corner. All right, guys. Up here. Let off these bumps. So I just heard a little tick, but I haven't been hearing it since then, so I'm guessing one of them, if not both of them, were loose. Slash, it became loose again. When we get home, we'll check it. If that's what was loose, take that nut off, put a lot of red Loctite on there, and then tighten her back down. Look at that. All right, let's see here. I mean, no, it's tight. Check this side. That one's tight. I mean, all these seem tight. I don't know if that's just like a lift thing, because I know someone commented a long time ago and said they have this noise after they installed the lift too. Same situation. So if any of you guys else out there have this lift and you have the little clicking noise over bumps, I mean, let me tell you, it is 1,000 times better already. But it's just a little tick is still there, so I kind of want to get rid of that completely. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up for tonight. I'm gonna go upstairs, clean up, and edit this video. With that being said, if you guys are interested in, I guess, the ceramic coating, the ceramic shampoo, or the ceramic detailer, link will be in the description below. I want to say thank you to Jack's Wax Car Care Products for sending that stuff out. You guys honestly didn't have to, and I just want to say thank you guys for that. That's awesome. Those are awesome, and I was honestly looking for those after the ceramic coat anyway, and I will definitely be converting to that ceramic shampoo because of how thick it is and how it can, you know, it will continually keep up with my ceramic coat. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. Take care. Like I said, if you're interested, links are below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.